This is our black walnut crow call. It's a great locator call, helps you to keep tabs on that turkey and move in on him without having to call to him. Also great for in the morning to get the gobbler to sound off the roost. Pretty simple, comes with a lanyard. And crow call, all you're doing is blowing as hard as you can into this. You're not going to shut this reed off. So to locate them, I would simply try to sound with the cadence of a crow. You can roll your tongue if you want to sound like a crow fighting. Sometimes add some more excitement to it. Very simple call to use, but a very necessary tool for everyone.